am excited to share this new dress with you guys because I really didn't have high hopes that I would ever even wear it, much less film it and post it to the channel. I don't know why, but I was convinced it wasn't going to fit or it wasn't going to look good on my post-pandemic body, but here we are nonetheless, and I'm happy to report the dress isn't terrible. Okay, I know that's not the most glowing review, but considering how doubtful I was, the fact that we are at a it isn't terrible stage is pretty good. So let me break it all down for you. This is the Dawn dress from McCall's, aka M8104. The website describes it as an empire seam button front dress with length and dolman sleeve variations and flounce details. The description is a little vague though and doesn't do the design justice. Here are the line drawings to help you get a better visual for all the details this dress has to offer. What intrigued me about it was the dolman sleeve, like the puffiness of the sleeve, and the bust and back waist gathers. So I decided to give it a go and make a wearable muslin. I found this quilter weight cotton in my stash. I think that I got it on some deep discount somewhere. I don't even remember where. I don't totally love the print. I'm just not much of a bird person, I think, or maybe it's like the contrast of the fabrics with the rich purple and the mint. I don't know if that just feels a little bit dated to me, but I figured the structure and weight of this fabric would lend itself really well to figuring out any fit issues that there might be. As it turned out, there are not many. The only one I can really see is the sleeve band is pretty small. I don't even have full biceps and it's tight on me. So I definitely check that measurement and adjust accordingly. Pretty simple alteration. Something that doesn't bother me but might bother you is that the buttons don't extend all the way to the bust line. You can see that the fabric is overlapped in that area, keeping it modest, but there's nothing keeping it that way. And certainly if I have to move in a particular way, it will open up and more of the bust will show. Again, no big deal for me, but something to keep in mind if you like a higher neckline. The fix is pretty simple. You could either add another button there or even do a snap on the inside. The last thing I want to say about this pattern is that the front button band is really a construction feat. It extends into the neck, which makes it very curvy with a mix of concave and convex curves. You combine that with the self-facing, and when you turn it to the inside and those convex and concave curves are having to match up with the ones on the outside, and it's really just something else to put together. So be sure to use proper interfacing, press it often, use lots and lots of pins. Of course, be patient, take your time. I skipped the hand sewing detail of the facing and opted for top stitching instead, and I don't think I did myself any favors by taking that shortcut. Also, I was having a real battle with my buttonhole foot for this band. I don't know if it was the fabric or the thickness of the band or what, but my machine was not having it. So they aren't the prettiest, c'est la vie. I do think that I will make this dress again in something more lightweight. I was at Joann the other day and saw that crinkle rayon is back. You guys know I'm obsessed with the crinkle rayon. I made, 5 garments with it last year. And they have a lot of really pretty, like springy, like florals, but also like vines in these really muted kind of pastel colors. They're really, really pretty. So I think I might grab some of that and try that. I think that the lighter weight drapier fabric, but with the structure still, would look really great in a dress like this. And of course, if I make it with that lightweight fabric, I will be adding the flounces because I love flounces. But that is going to do it for me today. Please let me know what you think of my dress in the comments section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!